Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. So Tesla been in the news just a little bit over the past week or so, but sometimes you just got to throw the headlines to the side and just kind of take a look at what the price and volume is doing, and that's what I want to do here as we head into Memorial Day weekend. On that note, a friendly reminder, markets are closed on Monday, but really to kind of summarize the price movement that has been occurring. And what stands out to me, and this is a favorite pattern of mine, is this level, or is this pattern right here, what I would call a falling wedge pattern. Now I get it, falling you would think would be bearish, but actually the rising wedge is the bearish pattern, the falling wedge is the bullish one. Now I should note that just because this is considered a bullish pattern, and if only trading with this easy, I'm not saying this means that the price is headed up to $225 next week, but would it be shocking to see some sort of movement to the upside, even if this upside right now is just this getting, making a move up to right around the 197-ish area on the top of that trend line? I mean, from a trading perspective, that's actually a nice little move in and of itself. However, if the price were actually able to break through there and then get some continuation, there's definitely some potential here. As always, though, risk versus reward and, monitoring risk, analyzing risk, and being disciplined, that's something that needs to be, factored into all this. But the point here being that, despite what some of the headlines and such out there are saying about, the end of the world, sometimes when everybody says it's the end of the world, the end of the company or whatever, those are the times to pay attention to the most. And that's kind of where I feel like, Tesla is at this point. So we'll see if this can indeed bounce to the upside. Again, as far as levels of support are concerned, you have the lower portion of that trend line of the pattern. But in the event the price breaks to the downside, then the next key level is just simply right around 186. And there's nothing fancy or complicated behind that other than the fact of that is where the bleeding stopped during Thursday's really crazy opening 30 minutes. So that would be the level to watch. Like I said, in the event this trend line here cannot hold up, then, in my opinion, at least it would be only a matter of time before it at least goes down to 186 and probably lower. On the resistance side of things, if the price can push through the trend line right there, keep an eye on that level at $200 even. So again, if the trend line can be broken, then the next level you would want to watch is right at 200. So all in all, interesting pattern going into next week, and I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. Everyone have a great Memorial Day weekend. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.